Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a room tour of the Pinewood Suite at the Four Seasons in Cap Ferrat in the French Riviera. So this is a suite which I think can fit like 4 people if I look at the layout. I am staying here alone, so you don't have to have 4 people to stay here. But it's done in a wing style, so you have the bedroom, you have this lovely corridor, you have closets and then the bathroom off of it, and then you have this living area which has a nice couch which is a pull-out, I believe, these huge mirrors. Hello. Also excuse my appearance, I got back from the pool area so I'm very sweaty and salty, so don't mind that. So you have this sitting area, you have this TV, so if someone's staying here they can kind of have their privacy, and then this is the view from this room which looks out into like the garden area. One feature to point out, I love these light switches. I think it like really elevates the whole room, as funny as it sounds, but it's such a unique thing. So then if you walk in over here, oh, I didn't put in my card key. One moment. Here we go, you can see it with lights. These are the closets. There I am again. Lots of room. There's a safe in here. There's some more closet space. There's this area is a closet. And then you have the bathroom, which has a large soaking tub with a view. And excuse my bathing suits that are drying. You have a bathroom. And then you have a shower, like a rainforest shower, which is super nice. Not a rainforest, a rain shower. I wish it was a rainforest. And then you have this gorgeous mirror, 2 sinks. I am fully leveraging all the counter space, so don't mind that. But yeah, lots of space. You have some things like the hair dryers in there, but then you can like store things in these areas as well if you needed to. And again, notice the flowers. There are flowers everywhere in this room, and it really just like elevates everything. I am a sucker for flowers. Like, that's how you win me over, is with a flower. So to see it feels so nice and like refreshing. So this is the bedroom that we're in now. Huge king size bed. It feels even bigger. Huge TV, and you have this table here as well. Another window that looks over into the garden, and then you have your Nespresso machine, you have your fridge, some water, and then this is the highlight of this room. Your bed looks over the Mediterranean Sea. So the way the like hotel is structured, it's like, it looks like this, or it's, I mean my fingers can't do the shape, but it kind of looks like a V, or it's like it's in a semicircle. So this room is it doesn't face the front where the Mediterranean Sea, like if you're going in a straight line, but you are at the end of the wing. So your windows look out at the Mediterranean Sea as well. And it's truly fantastic. Like literally, I'm sleeping over there and I wake up and I see it every morning. The sun also rises over here, so you wake up with the sunrise. I'm just a big like sun person, so for me it's such a, I don't know, refreshing thing, right? Like I love being in the sun, I love seeing the sun, I love having like the sun around me and being able to wake up with the sunrise. It's been fantastic. So let me just open this up. It is a little windy today, but that's the Mediterranean Sea. And then as I was saying, like that's technically like the front where it's like sea view. So there are rooms like over there that look out that direction, but honestly I think this is fantastic. 1, because you have the sunrise, and 2, you have such a nice room as well. And look, there's a little sailboat out there. I think just one other thing to call out about this room is it feels like a sun-soaked Mediterranean villa. So like the floors are warm, like you want to walk on them barefoot, like the linens are inviting. Honestly, this bed is like the comfiest bed I've ever slept on. It's like being in a pillow. You lay down and like it encompasses you. But yeah, this whole room feels like you're in a sun-soaked villa. Everything feels warm and inviting and clean, and it's just like, you know the feeling after you swim and you're in the sun all day and you come home and you shower and like you just feel relaxed? That's what this room kind of brings out, and I love it. I think even if you do a quick getaway, like this hotel is such a nice place to recharge. And specifically if you live in New York, technically during like the season period, so from April to like October, September, there are direct flights from, I think it's like either Newark or JFK into Nice. So you can be here in like 7 hours, do a nice long weekend, recharge, and then go back home. But yeah, like this hotel is a 10 out of 10. I love it. This room is a 10 out of 10. If you guys have any questions, either leave them down below or you can reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram is yuliguli. You will see plenty of other content on there from this stay, but you can shoot me a DM as well and I'll answer any questions you guys have. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Pinewood Suite at the Four